So hello everyone, welcome back to MissionVTU YouTube channel. In this video, we are dealing with the model question paper 1 of 6th semester VLSI and design testing. Subject code is BEC602. So in this video, we will discuss the questions of the model question paper and the important questions which will be coming for the VLSI exam in module 1. The question 1A is discuss the various types of MOSFET and their symbolic representation, physical structure with a neat diagram. 1B question is describe how MOSFET acts as a switch. 1C is draw the schematic diagram of 2 input NAND gate using a CMOS logic and explain its operations. 2A question is using the CMOS logic draw the schematic diagram of the following Boolean expression: y equal to ABC plus D into E, y equal to A plus B into C plus D, y equal to A into B plus C into D into E whole bar. 2B question is discuss the following types of design representation with the example. First one is structural representation, second one is physical representation. So in model 1A question is very important, and describe how the MOSFET acts as a switch. This is also very important. In 2A questions, they will ask these type of schematic drawings. They will give the Boolean equations like these ones, and they will say to draw the schematic diagrams. This is very important. And the module 2 is 3A question. Describe the drain current equation of MOSFET in the linear and the saturation region. 1B question is what is the threshold voltage? What are the parameters on which the threshold voltage is depends? 1C question is explain the noise margin in the CMOS inverter. So 1C is very important as well as the 1A. So in 4A question, derive the DC characteristics of CMOS inverter and obtain the relations for the output voltage in different regions for DC transfer characteristics. 4C question is explain the noise margin of a CMOS inverter with a neat sketches. Both 4A and 4C are the very important question. These will appear in every VLSI exam. So make sure you read this. 5A question is describe the following process methods used with a neat sketch. One is wafer processing using the Joukowski method, and the second is a selective diffusion process. Next 5B question is what is the purpose of layout design rules? What are the key constraints of the layout design rule? This is very important. They will ask the layout design rules and the how you will draw the layouts. And 5C question is explain the statistic and dynamic power dissipation in CMOS gate. This is also very important. Every exam this question will be for sure. 6A question is explain the switching characteristics of CMOS gate with the determination of the following switches times: rise time, fall time, delay time. Next in 6B question, describe the following with the relevant equation: charge sharing and yield. In module 4, 7A question, draw the schematic diagram of the Boolean function and y equal to A plus B into C plus D into E whole bar using the pseudo NMOS logic and explain its operations. Also discuss the advantages and disadvantages of this logic. This question is very for sure in the examination. They will be given in 8A question also. In 7B, describe the operations of a C square M logic. This is also a very important question. 7A, draw the schematic diagram of 4:1 mux using the NMOS and CMOS implementation of past transistor logics. Next in 8A question, the same is given in the 7A. You can see that it's a fixed question. Draw the schematic structure and the graphical representation of the function y equal to A plus B into plus C into D whole bar using CMOS logic and draw the layout for the same using the Euler's path method. 8B question is difference between the two-part dynamic logic and four-phase dynamic logic. 8C question is describe the operation of a CVC logic. This is important, guys. The operation of the CMOS CVC logic. In model 5, 9A question they have given as the describe the behavior of the two inverter basic bistable element. 9B question is explain the operation of the NOR based SR latch and define the related lumped load capacitance at the output node. This is important. 9B is very important. In 8A, explain any 4 techniques used for reducing the complexity of IC design in structured design strategies. 10B, they have given as write a short note on the following topics related to automated synthesis, procedural module definition, and the silicon compiler. So this is the model question paper of the VLSI design and testing. So I have told the some of the important questions from this model question paper. So make sure you read all those and prepare well for the exam. So in next video we will be covering all these answers for all these model paper questions. So if you like this video, please like the video and subscribe to MissionVTU YouTube channel. So stay tuned for the next answers of these model question paper solution. So thank you.